What is affiliate marketing? It is simply just earning a commission or a fee for sharing a product or a service with your followers. There's absolutely no cost or fee for your followers to use your affiliate link. So let's say you go to a restaurant and you absolutely loved that restaurant. So of course, you go and you tell everybody you know about that restaurant. Now when somebody goes on your recommendation, you get a commission on everything they buy. Affiliate marketing is basically the exact same concept.
Yeah, good day everyone, I go by name Skyward. If you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, if you follow my video, you know I'm an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing. And today I'm showing you the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and has already started earning on his Clickbank affiliate marketing platform. Yeah, remember to be a successful affiliate marketer, there are things you need to consider. Which one of them is your traffic system, where you get your traffic from, and that is where I come in because I have a software, a affiliate marketing traffic generator, which will gather leads on you from digital platform and search engines and promote your link or platform to this leads so that you can get good sales. And my software is only applicable to Clickbank alone. You can use my software on other affiliate marketing platform, on any affiliate marketing platform. And I also manage accounts for my students. If you are getting my software and video course and you need assistance on your account, due to any reason, maybe you need me to manage your account. I manage accounts for my students also, but that costs a extra charge. And remember, there's no, because people have been asking me that what's the benefit of me handling your account and managing your account. There's no special benefit or special things that come with me manage your account, because everything that I'm going to do is in my video course, step by step. My video course will take you step by step on how to use my software to get excellent sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform. So get my software today and start earning really good money on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Like the result you can see on the screen, this is one of my student results who got my software and video course and is earning really good money. So to get the software and video course today, contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course and start selling really good on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Remember, if you not learn, you won't earn. And it's not about the hard work and the time you spend is sharing link and staying awake to get sales, or the smart work and the chances you take. Because with my software, you can earn big money while you sleep. You don't need to work, you just need to set it up and it will start sending your link or your platform to these organic leads online, which you have a high guarantee of getting sales. And remember, affiliate marketing is just selling products for a particular company and getting a commission from them. And in my video course, we show you the secret and some things you need to know on how to earn big, because anybody can start earning, but the thing there you can make a pace and a difference in your own earning by the little knowledge you had to the skill you have. So get my software today and video course and start earning really good on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. So contact me on my Gmail today at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to start earning really good on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Get software today and start earning really good on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Thank you.